हेलो बच्चों, हाउ आर यू। तो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हियर आई एम once again for you having the chapter food. The name of the chapter is food. So all of you see carefully here. The name of the chapter is food and it is part 2 for you all. This is for class 6. For class 6. So all of you keep watching this video carefully. It is very important for you all because this part is very much technical, somehow related to your concepts. So try to understand. The topic is, what are the today's topic? What should we eat? Factors responsible for poor health. तो बच्चों, आज जो है माल न्यूट्रिशन की बहुत बड़ी समस्या है आज के डेट में पूरे वर्ल्ड वाइड। कोई लोग बहुत ज्यादा पतले दुबले हैं तो कोई बहुत ज्यादा मोटे हो गए हैं। Physical fitness must be essential. It should not only essential, but also it should be inevitable. Very, very necessary in order to survive our life. So see carefully, one by one I will discuss. What should we eat? We should always eat balanced diet. Now question arises, what is balanced diet? बच्चों, what is balanced diet? The diet that contains all types of nutrients in proper amount, in proper proportion, in proper quantity. Clear? That is called balanced diet. So balanced diet is very important for all of us. बच्चों, listen to me carefully. The diet that contains all types of nutrients. देखो बच्चों ध्यान से, all types of nutrients means what? All those nutrients, those are very much essential for our survival, for sustaining our life. जीवन जीने के लिए जो चीजें हमें चाहिए भोजन में, फूड में, वो बैलेंस डाइट कहलाता है। एंड इट नीड्स, आपको मैंने लास्ट पार्ट में बता दिया है, पार्ट 1 में जाकर के आप सर्च करके देखिए, फूड पार्ट 1 क्लास 6 बाय वीरेंद्र प्रसाद। सो आप आई बटन पर भी क्लिक करके इसको देख सकते हो। सो कैल्शियम इज वन ऑफ द न्यूट्रिएंट्स, like that way phosphorus, iron, iodine, and do you know water and roughage are also very much essential. It is very much essential as well for our body. The best source of calcium is milk. Clear? We get proper amount of milk, we get proper amount of calcium from milk. However, there are many more sources like cashew nut, other dry fruits. So calcium we get mainly from where? Milk. And milk we get from the cow. So here also we are seeing, we are looking, we are understanding that we people depend on animals as well. So calcium, phosphorus, mostly it is said that protein containing food also contains phosphorus. And if you try to know it, even somehow we find it in dry fruits. Clear? And even we also find out in milk. So phosphorus is also important. due to the lacking in calcium, our bones will get weak. Our teeth will get weak. Phosphorus, bones, teeth, related to these all the things. Iron we get for what purpose? We must have a proper amount of iron. As you know that hemoglobin is one of the parts. Clear? Hemoglobin is one of the parts of the blood, and it circulates with the help of hemoglobin or even blood, we can say. The circulation of oxygen takes place. The circulation of oxygen takes place throughout the body. So it is very important. We get iron from all green leafy vegetables. We get even iron chicken also. Clear? Somehow from fish. Clear? So the best source, even we can say that even iron we get from the milk. Somehow or somewhat the quantity of iron is found in the milk also. And if you having the lacking in iron, then your body will suffer from anemia. Your body will be anemic. Try to understand, it is very important. Now iodine. However, these days we are eating different salts that contains iodine artificially. Iodine is added into the salt. It is used. It is required in the least amount for our body, but it is necessary. Do you know? Because it causes the deficiency of its cause. I will tell to you what happens. The deficiency of iodine in our body causes goiter. Try to understand my language carefully. What I want to tell to you all, and try to focus on the concepts, not only on the languages. So therefore iodine is one of them. And finally, do you know water and roughage play very important role for the proper functioning of our body, because our body contains 70% weight of the body is water itself, and water is very much essential. 4 to 6 liters water you have to drink every day during the span of 24 hours. 4 to 6 liters water every day, and it plays very important role, very much pivotal role, very important role for the excretion of the feces, for the excretion of the dirty materials from our body. So water is very important. Moreover, it helps in digestion. Water also helps in the proper functioning of nervous system or neurons. Roughage is one of the things or components of the food that should be involved in our diet every day in proper amount. Ladyfinger, all green leafy vegetables, and many more fruits and such things like this. Many more things are there. Those are full of roughage. You eat it and be and get benefited. So roughage, what is the function of the roughage? Actually roughage क्या करता है ना, हमारे स्टमक में जो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन है या फिर जो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम है, एक्चुअली जो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम है वहां पर क्या करता है, रफेज झाड़ू लगाने का काम करता है. इट एलिमिनेट्स completely all the dirty materials from our body. So my dear students, try to find out the best marks in the upcoming examination, in the forthcoming examination. I wish that you must be a ranker, and all the very best for your coming examination. Thank you all of you.